Hi, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel and a happy Thanksgiving to you all celebrating today. So we have a special bonus. Well, this was declared yesterday, but we're going to go over the dividends that we got for YMAX and YMAG, and we'll do the spreadsheet analysis. Plus, we'll go over Group A, which was declared yesterday, and we'll go over all important dates and distributions and so on. So what we've got here is the dividend schedule. So the 27th was when they were declared. And then it's actually going to be payable on the 2nd, which is going to be next week, next Monday, because of the holiday. There's a little bit of a delay. And then we'll be back on track by next week. We'll almost get like a twofer because we're going to get Monday and then Friday for Group B, if any of you have Group B. So just a reminder again of the funds that are in Group A. And we have the new Target 12 ETFs coming, which are going to start paying dividends in January. But as a reminder, Group A is Tesla, Crash, GUI, YBIT, OARK, XOMO, SNOY, and TSMY. Group B is NVDY, DIPS, FBY, GDXY, BABO, JPMO, MRNY, and PLTY. So if you have any of these, you'll get paid twice next week. And of course, if you have YMAX and YMAG, you would also get paid twice because those happen to be weekly. Now that we've gone over that, let's go over the actual dividends. So here we go. Okay, here's what we've got for this week. This is the press release over here. So we've got some huge ones. YBIT, obviously the Bitcoin one is going to be massive. First, YMAX 30 cents, YMAG 20 cents. This is an 87% annualized distribution rate. YMAX is annualized 54%. Tesla is incredible, $1.22, 103%. Crash is 37.5 cents, which is a 60% annualized distribution rate. GUI is 28 cents, which is 25%. YBIT is $1.26, which is 116% if you round up. OARK is 47 cents, which is a 56% dividend. XOMO is 51 cents if you round up, which is a 40% payout. SNOY is 171 if you round up, which is 102% unheard of. And then the TSMY one is 53.8, well, 54 cents if you round up, 36.4%. And these are all payable December 2nd. So what we're going to do with YMAX and YMAG, we're going to take these and we're going to do our spreadsheet. Let me check comments here, see if you all have any. Oh, look who it is. Blake is on. Long time no see. I got fed up with never being able to see compounded returns. I started writing a program that will show them to me. Wish me luck. I'm still having trouble getting it into auto fetch data. Well, this is your chance to pitch it to the whole audience here. You could be like a grifter and sell your program to the whole audience. What are you charging? Charge something. I mean, $5 would be fair, right? Okay. Well, since we're getting our YieldMax dividends here, let's go over, let's switch over here to the spreadsheet. So what better way to celebrate Thanksgiving in the US than have a YouTube video on dividends, right? Okay, so where is our spreadsheet over here? Here it is. Here it is. The Roundhill one I'll do later. So I know none of you are going to go Google them. I know you're going to wait patiently for my video, even though it's already a day late. But it won't be $1 short because it includes dividends. See what I did there? Okay, so for this one, we're going to do some minor little formatting and tweaking over here. Um, we'll do YMAX first. So for those of you that are new, I do this for the Roundhill dividends as well. Let me make it nice and big so everybody can see on their phones. Okay, so what I do, I take the weekly dividend, I take the number of trading days, I make it monthly, I annualize it, I take the share price, take the percent yield, the price change, hypothetically $100,000 invested, how many shares that would buy in a given week, the weekly dividend amount, and the annualized dividend amount. So for YMAX this week, we had, drum roll, we had, let's see, what was it? 0.3056. So 0.3056, we'll go ahead and get this bad boy out of the way first, and then we'll do the next one. Okay, so some formatting is going to be in the near future here. Let's see. I like all the decimal points. So center this one. And then over here we go. So monthly, it's $1.32. Annualized is going to be a whole $15.89. The share price is, and this is as of close of market yesterday for the YMAX. So YMAX is 1835. So we are seeing some NAV appreciation, which is kind of like we have to check our hearing on that one, right? NAV appreciation. We're so used to NAV erosion. Okay, so this is an 80, this is unheard of, folks. This is 86.6% dividend payout. Price change, it went up 26 cents. Hypothetically, $100,000 invested would get you less shares because the share price went up. We know how that works, right? Look at this dividend. This is incredible. This is actually, this is a record, folks, since we've been recording this. This is now week number, it's like we got a little holiday bonus here. Week number 11 here. We're coming in at almost 31 cents. So this would be 1665 weekly. And then watch this, drum roll, $86,600. There you go right there. Just retire off of this. $100,000 investment in this, boom. Never need to work again, right? Well, we'll see. They're still new. Okay, so take this one. We're going to add B12. And then let's see. And then divide by the original share price. So, folks, this is unheard of. This is 13%. We increased again. See that? We increased. So I added a new column, the average for average yield. The average is actually 59.43%. This one I need to fix. I need to make it F12 minus F2. Imagine doing spreadsheets on a holiday, right? Minus F2 divided by F2, that is 4.26%. And then watch this. This is the weekly return. So I'm going to take by 11, 1.58%. It's funny because checking accounts, CDs, money markets don't always pay this, especially in a low interest rate environment. So to think a percent rate of return of 1.58 in 1 week, that is unheard of. So that's what this column is over here. That's the weekly return divided by the number of weeks this has been in existence. So that is YMAX. Now let's look at its sibling, YMAG. Let's go over here, move this one down, do some little formatting here. Let's hope we had a better week. I'll take the red away for now. So YMAX was phenomenal. So now let's look at YMAG. YMAG was 0.2029, so pretty good, a lot better than the week before. So 0.2029, pretty solid. This is like right in line with what we would expect. Now, I will note the video I did Monday. I think it was Monday, or maybe it was Tuesday. Can't remember. But the dividends that I predicted, these are all a lot higher than what I predicted. Because especially for this one, my prediction was, watch this. You all are going to think. My prediction was 17 cents. So it was higher than what I predicted. Okay. For a second there, I thought it was going to be like right in line. Okay, so we've got 5 trading days. It's an 88-cent monthly dividend. Let me make all of this automatic. We don't need the red because we're back in shape here. 1055. So look at that. Our dividend like tripled from what it would average from a week before. So for the YMAG, we are at now how can that be? We're literally at the same. I've never had that happen before. We're at the same price we were at last week, 1939%. Yield, a lot better, right? See that? Price change, what happened here? 0. That's right. It's unheard of, but it's $0 price change. I'll do this at the end. Okay, on a hypothetical $100,000 invested, it would get us this many shares. See, same number. Dividend would be $1,046, and then annually would be $54,413.62. Now we can make all of this black because it's not going to be in the red anymore. Okay, let's see, G26. There we go. Do this. We went up a little bit. Let's go over here. Yeah, it's going to be pretty much the same. Whoops. Ooh. Oh, hold on a second. What happened here? Let me see something. Something's funky with my formula. It should be F26 minus F16 divided by F16. Okay, it didn't change. There we go. I must have messed something up before. Okay, so this number didn't change. Now this number, I need to add this week to it. And that's going to be B26 over here. Okay, so that is, we increased by 1.06% this week. Taking the annualized percent, it's going to be now, oh, hold on a second. Okay, the annualized percent is over here. Okay, and then this one, this is going to be, let's see, B27, that's that, plus H27, which is that. I'm trying to remember. Oh, that's total return divided by, it's going to be 11 weeks now. So that's still 1.02%, um, which is over 1% per week for weekly. That, folks, is incredible, unheard of. So these two are really kicking butt. These two are doing way better than, I would say, than the Roundhill funds, which we will cover tomorrow. That's going to do it for this one. Let me check something here really quick. Okay, yeah, that's the same. So the total return, let me cover the total returns. Total realized return for YMAX is 17.4%. Total realized return for YMAG is 11.2%. So we have a winner here. We have YMAX. That's our winner so far. Incredible. Okay, so folks, that is going to do it for this evening. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Let me do some comments here real quick. Let me zoom in on my awesome face here. Let's see here. We got this one here. Who do we have? Varogis. Coney's run has been epic. Yeah, if only Schwab could fix the dividend total. Been in it since its inception. That's awesome. I just started learning full stack 3 weeks ago and only began writing in it yesterday. Did you learn half stack or quarter stack first? Well, that's good. You're learning new programming languages. I should do the same. It will be a while before it's ready. Who's this? I love anime, sweaty, pumping. Apparently, I'm pumping funds, right? I think I know what you meant there. I think you meant, let's see, you meant this guy, right? We won't name it. Oh, we got retire on dividends here. Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, same to you. And then we've got health and wealth. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. Same to you, and health and wealth to all of you all. Okay, well, that's going to do it, folks. Again, happy Thanksgiving, and we will see you all tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.